Welcome guys, today we will learn how to draw any irregular shapes in catia. Okay, so this is what your part module is. After that I am switching over to 2D. Just go here and select the plane. So this is your 2D environment. After that we have to draw a spline. What is spline? So what I am drawing here is a very irregular shape. If you have any irregular shape in catia, you have to just access to this command. After that as if I'm mechanical engineering, now the technology has been going so far that you have to deal with such irregular shapes more and more, because you can't just draw a sphere or triangle or any pyramid shapes and just have your um, end components. You have to deal with such irregular shapes also. So that's your humble need, so you have to learn this. Okay, so this all about the spline. I will tell you some two ways to draw them very properly. Okay, so what I'm doing here, just selecting this command, click M1, again draw, click click click, wherever you want the point you have to click. Okay, this is what I have drawn it. So if you want that you have to change those, you can control the shapes by just hanging those points or pivoting those points to any other positions. Okay, just you have to draw them and drag them wherever you want, and you can control the shapes. Now you can see that shape is like a just the roof of anything, okay, or any casing like. After that the surfacing comes in and all, we will done that. Okay, so this is all about the spline in one way. After that, if you want a specific thing, because everything is to be specified. Okay, you can't just draw it in air, so you have to just select the point and give it a dimension, so that what I am doing here is I'm showing you that what exactly you can draw when you have to use this command in a more specified way, because earlier I have shown you that thing directly. If you have a component along you and you have just a reference points, you can just select them and draw them through them also. After that again in some points. Okay, I'm just drawing them randomly, but you have more specified way of drawing them, more different ways. If you have component already with you, and you have to just drag those points on that plane with this command. Okay, with this command, and just draw them through. Okay, so there are more ways to draw them, but you need some basics for them. That are the basics I am teaching you. So, and again this one, and again I'm showing you how to draw. We will have a better way of understanding when we will learn the constraints and how to give the dimensions. Okay, just I'm showing you that you won't have any, so how we can judge out these colors. Okay, we will always be in a very specified way when we learn this with me, because I have a very deep insight for the software, and I can teach you them in a very better way. Okay, now just you need to select this command, go on this point, and software will help you to just drag on to that point. After that this will lock you some here, and just select it again, So this, you can see that the error will be happening here. This curve will not be constrained. Okay, just draw it again. Again, just select it, then just select it, and then that thing happens. This can be removed by constraint also, but I'm showing you the direct way of drawing it. And select. So you can see this has been now coincident to the symbol you are watching here. That is a coincident command. So this has been drawn very likely. You can check from here also. This is the ISO constraint one, and we have drawn it very correctly. So there's coming over here that is ISO constraint. Okay, so this is one another way of drawing it. So now I will show you the next command, that is how to connect those curve. Okay, I'm drawing a irregular shape. Okay, now if I have to draw a closed loop for this, so I cannot just select that and just join it. So for that is a better command is this. Just select this point, select this point, your curve has been drawn. So what constraint has been used over here, you can just double click or double click M1 on that curve. Okay, and you will have just the first curve and second. First curve is this point which we have selected first, that will be your first curve, and the point which you have selected later, that will be your second curve. So you can see over here there are three continuity sectors, that is point to point continuity, tangency continuity, and curvature continuity. The curvature will be following this curvature only. If you want tangency with this and this, then you will have a very strict thing over here. After that curvature, you may know you can use different continuity commands over here, point to point continuity over here, and tangency continuity. So you can see that if you use point to point continuity, it will create some break over here. It will not be very continuous, and selecting tangency over here will be somewhat a very continuous shape you can see over here. After that you can see the tension points. If you increase or decrease them, you will be having some more elaborated or elongated curve from here. If you control the elongation, you can definitely use this in a better way. Okay, just like this. So, and what are these curves are all about, you can just reverse them. Joining process will be reversed. It will be joined like this, it will be joined like this. So that is not needed. You need to just reverse them to have a better curve, because that you can see the direction, it will going like this only. Okay, joining like this only. So no need to have a very different direction, so that you just ruin your curve. Okay, this is the very specified way. So now we have learned the constraints also, and the curve definition also. So that's all about today's video, and tomorrow and in next video we will be having some hyperbola, parabola and all. Okay, so just practice it guys, so that you will have a better understanding of this 2D module, because understanding 2D module will help you in 3D, and you will definitely learn that faster. I'm spending more time in it because this will help you in a better run. Okay, thank you guys.